New house construction, just got the Vermont Castings Encore wood stove. This video is going to be them dropping it off, setting it up. Just a quick overview and then an overview on how it works. And then hopefully at the end we'll get a little bit of video of firing the thing up. Exciting day. Wood stoves getting delivered and installed. One right there.
You want that there, just like it.
Right there. Make it parallel to that front 45. Installing vent in the back. Installation's going well. In the back is again the cold air entry, flumed all the way up. All right, there it is, all installed. And how this thing works is it has a top load, it's called the griddle. So there's a griddle. Behind that's a catalytic, or the catalyst. You could do all your loading through the top. This right here is a bypass. So before you open the top or start a fire, and you're not burning very hot, you're gonna open that bypass. That was this lever here. And then on this side, this is a damper. And you could see over here, all the way open, all the way closed. There is actually kind of self-dampening in there. So this is kind of a fine tune. You don't have to do it every time. There are the front doors. Here's the handle for the front door. It just stores there and then opens up that way. Looks good. And down here is the ashtray. So you empty your ash, this comes out. That's a lid for it so you don't get ash all over the house. Locked in place. And then there's a thermostat right there. And you can see you got to heat up enough to get to operate the catalyst. All of our clearance are met by substantial amount, 3-4 inches. Side of wall to the center of pipe is 17. We're like at 21. Same to the back. About 19 inches of clearance in the front, only 16 is required. Okay, got some dry kindling and paper in there. We're gonna open up the bypass. So that's all the way open. Nope, that's all the way closed. There's a bypass, all the way open. I'm gonna open this all the way up, see what happens. There it goes. First fire in our Vermont casting wood stove. Bypass is open still. Front door is closed. Then the damper is all the way open. There's the pipe. You can see a teeny bit of smoke coming out of it. Heat coming off of it. Looks pretty good. And then there's the fire. It's damping pretty far down. Open it all the way up. Bypass is closed. Throw another block of wood in there. You're gonna top load this way. Your bypass is closed. I'm gonna open the bypass. Oops, that's locking it. Open the bypass. You see it's open there. And then drop another block of wood in. Close it down. Close the bypass. There you go.